What I got here is my new Dewalt air blower. I got the battery charger and the battery. If you already have the batteries, you can save yourself a little bit by just getting the tool and not getting the whole kit. But in this case, I got the whole kit. This is a bit of a beast. It's got the, oh, wait. I actually could feel G-forces going in that direction. Yep. This is extremely powerful. It's got this kind of weird special nozzle. I guess that concentrates the air as it comes out of the front of the thing. Let's see what else the box can tell us. Up to 450 cubic feet a minute and 125 mile per hour performance, compact and lightweight design, variable trigger with speed lock, removable concentrator with built-in scraper for stubborn debris. Oh yeah, you can use the tip for that for sure. So now it's time to scream, "Thar she blows." I have a particularly difficult patch here where I've got all of these stuck bamboo leaves. I just want to say that the debris clearing tool does come in handy. We're going to get a different angle now on using the Dewalt. It's powerful, it works fast, it's as advertised. It's got this handle on the bottom of it that lets you pretend like you're in a war movie or a video game. I like it. I think it's worth the money. It is just a great, great product. So there you go. Thanks, Dewalt.